Grandma, Jaden, EduPlay. Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Summer Reading Program 2020, Longview Public Library. Craft Challenge. Week 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fantasy puppet.
Let's see, we got the packet from the library teacher, Becky. So let's open it. What's inside? Oh.
Paper. Mommy, get sticky.
And then this one to do. Good job.
Look! We make thunder. Jimmy make thunder.
Okay, let's glue. You guys are like a horn and head and body.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Nay.
We're gonna decorate the unicorns. And let's first color first. Which color you want?
You're doing that for Grandpa. We can show Grandpa when we go there again. Look. Look at that. You want it. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, look at this. Done. I'm done. Da-da. Let's put some glitter on it. Yeah! Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. I put a bow right there, bow.
Oh.
So it's good. Being the boy.
Kids glitters and it's so pretty.
I need to jump some mine.
Okay, let's put the tails. I'm gonna punch one, and then we're gonna all the yarns together, and I'm gonna push in. How long, Jaden, you want to? And then I cross, and then I'm gonna tie it up like here, like this. I tied up, and then like this one. Now let's do this hair. Okay, and Gemma too. Gemma made this beautiful, and then the tail. And you could do all the glue in these little pieces, but for kids I just make an ending. They're gonna glue like this. Wow! Look at these beautiful unicorns.
I'm shooting die. I am Sparkle. Shooting die.
Okay, we're gonna do another unicorn. So we're gonna using paper plate. Yeah. Beautiful. Good job.
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah. Okay. Good job. And then we're gonna do a cutting like a horn, Gemma. This is a horn. Okay.
How's some ears?
Oh, you're right. We need ears too. Yeah. The perfect ears. That's cool. Good job.
This looks like one pizza. One pizza. Cat ears.
Yeah. Okay, let's decorate it. Let's coloring. Okay, let's coloring. Do some glitters. Glue for hair. Put the hair put on here. Put hair here. Okay. Ta-da! Whoa! And then let's put the stick on the there, and then with the tape. Ta-da! Okay, we're gonna make a paper roll unicorn.
That's what I put it on.
The middle, and then rolling. The other side, just push it in. Wow! How did you make that one, that unicorn?
Toilet paper roll. Toilet paper. Happy We made 3 unicorns.
Yeah.
Finger puppet. Ta-da! Hi, unicorn.
And we made
Puppet toilet paper unicorn. Yay, happy unicorn day! Thank you for watching. Gemma, Jaden, and Unicorn.